Question 217 says, for which values of x will the following sigma notation converge? So we have infinity starting from 1, and we have the rule 4x minus 1 to the power of k. So for which values of x will this converge? So we can expand this to be a series. If we expand, we need to substitute k with its value. So we get 4x minus 1 to the power of 1 for the first one, then 4x minus 1 to the power of 2, and going on and on like that. But this is enough for us to get a value of our ratio. So the ratio is going to be 4x minus 1 squared over 4x minus 1. So that will just eliminate one of them, leaving us with 4x minus 1 as our ratio. But if we want to find for which x values this series will converge for, then we are going to need to introduce the restriction that our ratio should only be found between minus 1 and 1. Then our ratio is going to be minus 1, 4x minus 1 is less than 1, like that. Then now we solve it, and we can solve it simultaneously or apart. If we solve it simultaneously, it'll be quicker and easier. So just take minus 1 to both sides. It's going to change sides on both sides, so we're going to have minus 1 plus 1 on this side, and we're left with 4x here, and then we're going to have 1 plus 1 on this side. Then this simplifies to 0 on this side, 4x less than 2. Then we can divide both sides, all sides, by 4. Then this gives us 0 still for this side, x over here, and a half. So x has to be between 0 and a half, and we find that our answer will be D.